Hello friends, in this video I will talk about the Android 10 update of Xiaomi Mi A2. So let's watch.
Friends, before starting the video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos and PUBG Mobile latest hacks.
So friends, the Xiaomi Mi A2 has finally received its official Android 10 update. The Android 10 update has been a long time coming. After launching with Android Pie in November 2018, we are now seeing the Android 10 update steadily rolling out for the Mi A2 in some regions. The update includes all of the core new features of Android 10, such as the new gesture navigation, system-wide dark mode, enhanced privacy controls, and more on top. The UI changes are very minimal, but the upgrade should enhance the clean experience of one of the cheapest Android One smartphones you can pick up. The update size is about 1.3 GB. This is a sizable upgrade, so it might be worthwhile ensuring you're connected to a solid Wi-Fi network before attempting to download it. This update is said to be having a staged rollout. That means you may have to wait a little while for the auto notification to appear on your device. Moreover, the unlocked bootloader warnings that would appear on boot have now disappeared. So friends, this is the latest news regarding Xiaomi Mi A2. Subscribe my channel for more tech videos. Like and share the video. Peace out.